This website is broken, it's just loading forever, so that we can definitely give these guys a new website. And they have 39 reviews. They have a 5 outright, only 5-star reviews, and they don't have a website in 2026. So go through this entire list and find all of the businesses that could use a better website. Then what I want you to do next is to reach out to these people. We are gonna go to their website, and then we are going to take a screenshot of somewhere we think we can improve, like this one right here. Let's see if they are on WhatsApp. So we're just gonna call them purely plumbing. You can see this number is on WhatsApp, so we can click accept right here. We can send them the screenshot and then write something like, "Hi, Albert here, checking your website, and it looks like you only have one testimonial, but your Google reviews are almost perfect. If you want me to, then I can redesign your website completely for free, so you can see it. You only pay if you like the redesign." Want me to send over some ideas, and then gonna write parentheses, "We should definitely include some more testimonials." Just send that over and send a message like this that's personalized to their actual website to all of them that needs a website. For example, this person right here, we would mention that you have a lot of good Google reviews, but your website takes forever to load, so there's probably something wrong, if they want help fixing that. Reach out to like 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 people a day, and you will land your first couple of clients. Completely for free, no cost. But we don't stop there. You want to find out if these guys also have an Instagram or a Facebook profile, and then you want to DM them with that same message as many places as possible, so you increase the chances of them actually seeing it. Don't do it on WhatsApp only or SMS. Do it on as many channels as humanly possible. That will increase your chances even more of landing a client. I hope you see how powerful this can be if you do it right. And it is completely free to do. Do this if you're reaching out to someone that is completely cold. But what you should do first, if you know someone that already has a business, someone that could already use a website, that you already know and they know you, reach out to them first. I see so many beginners that completely forget to reach out to the people they actually know. They go after companies that are way harder to reach, way harder to close, instead of just going after the easy deals that they have right in front of them. And going after those deals is also completely free. So do that first. If you know any plumber, if you know your local barber shop that you come to, go down and ask them first if they need a new website, and tell them that you can build it for a cheap price. You don't want to mess this next part up, because this is how beginners just throw away their clients. When you have someone that is interested in seeing your demo, so interested in seeing what you have built for them, you go back and forth, you say, okay, what do you want on your website, blah, 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 blah. You don't give them the price. You always need to show value first before you demand anything. So you go back and forth, you build out a website demo for them. You need to get them on a call. You don't show them the demo, you don't send a link over the chat. You go back and forth and basically talk to them, okay, what do they want? You build out a demo for them, and I'll show you how you can do that in literally like 10 minutes, build a crazy website. But you never tell the price or send the demo in the messages. You need to get them on a call. And for the calls, we'll be using Google Meet, because it is completely free. When you understand that, let's continue with the next part. And now comes the most exciting part of the project, and the most fun part in my opinion, which is building out the project for the client. And I'll show you a secret skill that we can use to transform this website right here to look 100 times better and be way higher converting, build more trust in a space. And I'll show you how you can build insane websites like this with one skill in literally like 10 minutes. Let's get into it. We have $300 worth of API credits, so let's get into it. These right here are my personal Claude skills that I usually use for Claude Code. But we can use these skills as well for our Gemini agent. What I'll do is that I'm gonna go to our completely free community, completely free to join, go to Classroom, then go to Resources, and then go to Claude skills right here, because that's going to take you to the drive where you can find all of my Claude skills. And the skill we need is this one right here, build premium website. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click on this, download it. Then I'm going to go back into Visual Studio Code where we have our Gemini CLI set up with our credits. I'm going to go to downloads, and then I'm going to take this entire folder, drag it in so it shows the path right here. And then I say, I want you to use this skill. And then I'm going to write, I want you to build a website based on this skill. I'll provide business name and industry. And then we're going to write the business name. Let's redesign purely plumbing. And the industry is plumbing. Then we can set it, instead of plan mode, we can set it to auto accept and then hit enter. And now with Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is the best Gemini model that exists, we can now build out a crazy website in 10 minutes. Just look at this. And you're going to see the result in just a second. And then after around 10 minutes, we end up with this, an extremely clean website for purely plumbing. A lot better than what they currently have. Took us 10 minutes and completely free credits in order to build this. Look at this. It has really clean animations right here. It has these animations right here counting up. It has these cards that are overlapping each other. Looks insane. This dark mode section, how can we help, a form where customers can fill out the information, and then a clean looking footer. Absolutely insane from 10 minutes of building this out with the credits that we got completely for free. You can sell a website like this from anywhere between, I'd say, 100 to 500 bucks if you want to keep it on the low end, and 500 to 2,000 bucks if you want to charge a little more. Of course, you need to have clients that can actually pay this much, so it needs to be larger businesses if you build out sites. But the crazy thing is that you can build out anything with Gemini using this method, and you have $300 in credits that you can use per client that you onboard, because you can have them sign up for the extra trial as well. You basically have unlimited Gemini credits. That is absolutely bonkers. If you like tips like these, then make sure to subscribe. I'm dropping videos like this every single week. All right, and the last step is hosting this website. Let's say that we have shown this website to the client on a call. You don't send this to them if you're not on a call with them. You show it on the call, you give a price, they agree that they want to pay this, let's say 300 bucks for this website. That took us 10 minutes to make with free credits. Let's say that it's time to host this website. To do that, I'm gonna recommend Vercel. Vercel makes it very, very easy to host websites like this, and you can do it completely for free up to X amount of traffic, which is perfect because your first couple of clients are probably not gonna have thousands of visitors. It's gonna be smaller local companies like the one that we just created. So if you haven't already, create an account on Vercel, then click add new and click project. Then we can go to folder right here and search for purely plumbing, which is the website that we just created. Click upload and then upload right here. There you go, drop to deploy. You can see that the framework is white. That's what we built it in. And now we can click deploy. And we can do this completely for free. And there we go, deployment is started. It's now going to take our website that's on our computer and deploy it to the cloud so anyone can find this website on the internet. You can see it says, congratulations, you just deployed a new project. We can click continue to dashboard, and it gives us this temporary domain right here that we can copy, paste in, hit enter, and there you go. You can see this website that we just created is now live on the internet. How cool is that? All you would have to do now is take the domain that they already have on their website, like they already had a domain that was called purelyplumbing.com. Then you go inside of domains here on the left hand side. You click add existing domain in the top right corner, and here you write in the domain, and then you connect the DNS to where they currently have their domain. But also, if they already own a domain, then it's completely free. And either way, it shouldn't be you paying for domains. You're still running your business at 100% margins, completely for free. There you go. You build a website from scratch with credits that were completely free with some of the best AI models out there.